Hello, Abby here from Halifax, Nova Scotia, for my vlog every day in April for Sunday, April 7th, I think it is. I don't really have anything exciting to talk about in this video. I was hoping maybe my cat would come over and visit so that she could be in the video, because nothing exciting happened. Come here. Come here. There she is. She'll come up and visit. Come here. Up. Ow. Stop it. Come here. Up. Cats are not like dogs. Here she is. Oh, she's so beautiful. I haven't seen her all day, so I thought she would be more happy to see me. She's purring. Yeah, she's happy. Her name is Blaze. She was a wilderness cat. I used to live in Northern Ontario, so she was a wilderness cat. She sees herself. She had like ticks and ear mites and stuff when we found her. There she is. Oh, she's gonna knock it over. Oh. Kitty, you're so cute. She's usually not allowed on the table, but she is now because it's a special video. Oh, kitty. There. You're so cute. Oh, stop it. Mwah. Okay. Yay, so that's my cat. I'm one of those pet parents that has a million pictures and videos of her cat. Anyway, that's it for Sunday. Have a good day. Bye.